I like trains.
Hello everyone, I'm here tonight at Old Mill Bottom Road Crossing. We got ourselves a loaded coal train with a unique symbol, C670, approaching. And it's got an ES40 DC in the lead with a beautiful first-gen K5HL. And let's take a look. Not going that slow because this is only this is not a combined train. 3 up front, and look at the tops of the coal hoppers. They got snow on them. We did have a little bit of snow around this time, not really in Carroll County, but out west definitely, and that's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm actually going to chase this train to Woodstock. We're trying to get the echo of that first gen K5HL. So, yeah. I should beat it with plenty of time. So, yeah. Yeah, this is the first time I've seen C670. And as you can see, it's just normal coal hoppers. Nothing out of the ordinary. But you don't see ES40 DCs leading coal trains that often anymore, so that's pretty cool. Look at the reflection down there. Yeah, he's not, like I said, he's not really struggling much. I angled my car perfectly this time. The Woodstock should be even better for lighting. Lanes, I'm starting to see that a lot recently. $37, $60, $40. A lot of these coal hoppers looks like a lot of these coal hoppers were on the previous coal trains that have been passing. I know a lot of my past videos have been coal trains, so sorry if you all are getting kind of bored of that, but I will promise you this. These next upcoming videos, I might be, oh, I just saw something pretty mad. There's an old coal hopper. I may be going somewhere pretty far and might be seeing a lot of trains, so stay tuned for that. Ooh, 4 bay. Or 3, no, sorry, 3 bay. That was rare. Don't see that every day. This coal train's got a lot of unique coal hoppers. Yeah, all the coal hoppers have snow on the top. Frozen coal. Lanes again. I'd say this coal train was worth it. Oh, last car is here. So part 1 is over. And now, off to Woodstock I go for part 2. There it goes. And I'm out of here from Old Mill Bottom Road. Alrighty, as you can see, I have made it to Woodstock Road in Woodstock, Maryland. And as you can see, the West Davis signals are lit up red. We are looking west, which means they are lined for an eastbound. And here comes C670 blowing through Woodstock. Alright, here it is. This might be the fastest train I've ever seen go through here. One time I saw a coal train go about 5 miles an hour through here. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video of C670 with an ES40 DC leader and some cool coal hoppers. And here from Woodstock, Maryland on the CSX Old Main Line subdivision. This is the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.